inventive touch bar streamlines work and saves clicks, and Apple has improved almost every part of the thinner, lighter MacBook Pro, including a larger touchpad, faster components and a flatter keyboard. iPhone's Touch ID is handy on the Mac, too. This MacBook Pro is thinner and lighter than its predecessor, with a flattened keyboard and expanded touchpad. It has a newer selection of Intel processors, faster flash storage and a brighter Retina screen. The new MacBook Pro has also dropped all its legacy ports for Thunderbolt 3-powered USB-C, a controversial move that requires you to buy a truckload of dongles, but also a move that many high-end Windows laptops are following. Apple even threw in the pleasing and very useful Touch ID fingerprint sensor, imported almost whole hog from the iPhone and iPad. Microsoft has also pledged to add Touch Bar support for Office. But until those companies and others deliver, it's all about Apple's in-house apps, including Mail, Messages, iTunes and Safari. I found the Touch Bar added something useful to each of these, but that's predicated on actually using those apps. If you prefer Spotify to iTunes, or Chrome to Safari, there's not much the Touch Bar can do for you from within those apps, besides the basic system functions previously mapped to the function key row, such as volume controls. Battery life is the big question here. The 13-inch MacBook Pro with the Touch Bar ran for 10:07 on our streaming video playback test, which matches up with Apple's predicted 10 hours of battery life. The lower-end 13-inch Pro without the Touch Bar ran for an even more impressive 11:36 in same test, beating Apple's estimates. The 15-inch model, which has a larger screen and more powerful components, but also a larger battery, ran for almost exactly Apple's predicted 10